We have a nice square problem here. Each side of the square is a. If each side of the square increases by 10%, we have to find how much percentage will increase for the perimeter and how much percentage will increase for the area. So we know perimeter P equals 4a since each side of the square is a. So new side will be previous side, which is a, plus 10% increase in this side, which is a times 10%. So we get a plus a times 10 divided by 100. Next we can write a plus a times 0.1, or we can take a as a common term, a times 1 plus 0.1. From here we can write 1.1a, which is the new side of the square. So new perimeter, new P, will be 4 times the new side of the square, which is 1.1a. From here we get the new perimeter as 4.4a. So the change in perimeter is the new perimeter, which is 4.4a, minus the old perimeter, which is 4a, and we get from here the change is 0.4a. So the percentage change in perimeter, percentage change in perimeter equals the change, which is 0.4a, divided by previous perimeter, which is 4a, times 100. So from here we can cancel this a, and we get 0.4 divided by 4 times 100, which gives us 10%. So the change in perimeter is also 10%, same as the change in each side of the square. So each side of the square changes 10%, which makes the perimeter change as same amount, which is 10%. So next we'll see the change in the area. We know the new side of the square is 1.1a. From here we get the area, which is the original area, is a square, and the new area is the new side, which is 1.1a times 1.1a. This gives us 1.1 times 1.1 equals 1.21 a square, which is the new area of the square. So change in area is 1.21 a square minus a square, which gives us 0.21 a square is the change in area. Next we will get the percentage change in area, which is the change in area, which is 0.21 a square divided by the previous area, which is a square, times 100. So we can cancel a square and we get the percentage change in area as 0.21 times 100 equals 21%. So if each side of the square changes by 10%, the area of the square changes by 21%. But the area of the perimeter change is same, which is 10%, as the increase of each side. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video.